Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wendy, aka Kitty Street, and it's a Temu Tuesday. And in this Temu Tuesday, I really wanted to show you a couple items and throw in some videos of how I use them and give you my honest review on cleaning, which specifically is spring cleaning products. So let's start off with this little guy right here. I meant to take these out so I didn't have rattling, so forgive me for that. I'm going to tell you, I am going to link the prices in the description on this one here. You can tell I haven't even hardly used any of that because it's not the greatest. I do have another one I use. They're both purple. I bought two at one time. They were like $1.69 a piece. You basically just use them in the toilet. I do a quick little video and show you. It's no big deal. But would I buy it again? Probably not. Once I use this up, which this will last you forever, guys. So if you do buy this, you know, I have like 3 different bathrooms with toilets in it. So I said, you know what, this is fine. I wanted to get a third one, but I forgot. Because I really wanted to see how it was, but I'm going to probably pick up a third one and keep them in the bathrooms for just a quick clean when I don't want to break out the whole cleaning supplies. But for spring cleaning, I thought I would show you this little girl right here. I love the colors. And if you're into colors, you can get all different colors that you want to. You'll see in the video how that goes. You know, it's a cleaning thing. It's no big deal. These right here, I'm not going to open them up, but I do show you where I throw them in the dryer and how they come out after you use them. No biggie. I bought every color they have. They have yellow ones as well. They're in my cart as we speak. These are for getting the, like when you have your pets, when you know, maybe you're feeding them or you're petting them or they're laying all over your furniture and you don't want to have all this pet hair, especially if you're cooking or you're going to visit people. If you have black clothes, that hair shows up on everything. Throw you some of these guys in the dryer. This one right here is a winter chicken dinner. I swear by them. I don't know if I had these in a video because I had already washed all my clothes, but if I may put one in, I'm not sure. I wanted to show you the before and after of how they look, so you might see that in the video. Again, this is just, you know, common sense kind of things. You can use these. I call them in my spring cleaning video, but I love them, and I think I paid like $1.15 for those, for 3 of them. Not a bad deal. All right, you're definitely gonna see this in a video. I did get in my car and I tried to use this and I didn't care for it. Will I return it? No. It does do the job and you can get into the high areas, but it wasn't what I was thinking. I needed the squeegee. That's what I was looking for when I purchased this. Now, it does get off the dust. I'm not going to complain about it. I did pay almost $3 for this, and it's very sturdy. I mean, you know, it's plastic, but it's very sturdy. And this right here does go, and you can take this little gadget, this little guy off here, and clean it if you need to. But yeah, would I buy another one? Probably not, but I am going to get a squeegee because I want to clean the inside of my windows where I'm wiping them with the Windex. And this here just really was kind of more so for the dust and stuff. But someone did comment, and I already forgot what the comment was, on what they use this for, and I'm so sorry. So re-comment, guys, and tell me if you find a better use for this little guy right here. I love the color. I think that's pretty cool. All right. I'm going to tell you now, these sell out so fast. I have a few other colors that are in my cart. I don't know why I didn't buy a bunch of them when I bought this one, but these things work so well. This is after use. Now, this has not been washed. I have it hanging up in one of my guest bathrooms that I use during the day, and I'm the only one that ever used that bathroom. It's been there since I bought this thing, and I'm getting ready to put it in the laundry. I might even get a video in it with these things in there. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Love these things. Love this, like a little ball. And I have seen people hauling them, and they've actually said that they come in different sizes. So you may get one in a smaller, I don't know. So pay attention to the measurements. But mine, I love this one, and I've got several colors in my cart. and I swear by these. And these are so much better than just using a washcloth or even paper towels or anything like that. I love these. What a great invention. And I'm going to get some to put in my kitchen area. I thought they were great. All right, guys, this right here, no good for the back because this stuff keeps popping off of my shower. So I could not use this for my back. The minute I started to do my back situation going on, it would come right on off. It would come like half off. And I was like aggravated, but read enough reviews to where I put some soap in here. So I stuck it on the bottom of my tub and put my feet on it with some good soap. I have some peppermint soap that someone gifted me. It really does the trick for my feet, especially now because I'm outside. Sometimes when I go to pick up my mail, or if I'm just walking and looking at my garden, whatever, you know, my feet, and if I'm in flip-flops or if I'm in my slides, I always want to come in and clean my feet with when I'm taking a shower. And I thought, because you don't never know what's all in there. So I said, okay, this was good. So as far as a back scrubber, no. But for a foot washer, yes, I love it. They come in different colors. I thought it was pretty good. This was actually one of my free sponsored gifts that came with me. So I did not purchase this as far as cost. Would I get another one? You know what? I may get another one just to have a backup because I don't know how long this will last. And also, if other people want to use it for that reason alone, I might get it for a gift. I haven't quite made up my mind. All right, this here, I don't know if I'm going to put a video in it. I'd only used it once. And I think when I first got it, and this was like less than 50 cents. I think it was like 48 cents. And this is a Showerhead. I know you really can't see it. It's a Showerhead cleaners. And I think I did do it when I first got it, and it was, you know, I could do better with, I put a baggie over it and just scrub it and put a baggie with vinegar on it and let it, and some soft soap or something, and I'll let it sit there for a minute and then clean it. But these are supposed to get into the little grooves. I thought it would be better at that one right there. You can kind of see it's got some gunk on it. If I put it in a video, great. If I don't, you will understand why, because they're very tiny. And when you clean, you've got all that stuff going on. I'll try to do a video for this particular Temu Tuesday, but forgive me if I don't. Would I repurchase these again? No. Were they a cool idea? Yes, but you know, I can do better, you know, with a bigger scrubber, because those little holes, and you know, by the time you get into all them little grooves, it's time consuming, and I don't have a lot of time, so I don't know about this one. So we'll have to kind of put that on a maybe kind of list. All right, last item. This was also another free sponsored gift that came, and this is that toilet brush, the little mini one that I got, and it has the little, I have not stuck it anywhere because I knew that I was going to do a Temu Tuesday, and you will see me, you know, in the toilet with this thing right here behind it, going through. But I just wanted to let you know that it is convenient. You have your little ins and outs. I love as far as it's compact. And you know, if you're traveling, or if you had like what I was supposed to say, minivan, if you had a one of them caravans, oh my goodness, I can't even talk today. If you had a caravan, this would be really, really nice to have in there. You know, you have a little, it does pop in there. Maybe I got to turn it this way. But it has a little little thing here for you to be able to hang it on, which, why is it like that? Huh. Well, it looks like this. Oh, here we go. The little hook hangs on there. So just know this is okay. And what got me was because it's, you know, you can pull it down, but I'm not going to do this every single time. I thought I would be happy with it, but I'm not sure. This silicone is not the best for getting everything out. But like I said, if you have like a caravan or a motorhome or one of those things that or you have one of them small houses, you know, tiny homes, this might be the deal for you. So on this one, I'm going to, you know, we'll see. But guys, I know this is a kind of hot mess Temu Tuesday, but this is just spring cleaning and no big deal on all these items. I'll do a quick little couple of videos for you to see how they go in case you're interested in it, and I will link the items in the description box. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with these items. A lot of them I will definitely repurchase. This is definitely a repurchase. This is a repurchase. And I'm going to probably get one more of these just because I think that's cool. But as far as like this, nah. This, No, I may get one more for my extra bathroom, but that'll be it. But this will last me for a long time, like I said. And because this was free, I'm not, you know, complaining, because these could get a little pricey, because I had this in my cart before I got it on the sponsorship. But, you know, we'll see. And this right here definitely will not be a repurchase. But for the most part, that's my Temu Tuesday spring cleaning so far. Because I do have some more cleaning products or cleaning items that are pertaining to cleaning that will come out in the future, because I'm continuing to order week after week. And until the next one, guys, take care. I'm not going to have an ending. I'm just going to throw in some videos. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a demonstration for some items that I got off of Temu. One is this cleaner. As you can already see, I have put in some little flowers. They're so cute. And I'm going to be distributing also this toilet brush, this little tiny toilet brush that pulls apart and kind of is a mini size one. And this little foot, well, actually it was a back washer, but it was actually a foot thing. That's what I turned it into. And I'm going to follow it up with, you know, this little handy thing right here. So let's talk about this right here. Let me move this here just so you guys can see it. I'm hoping that it's showing you. It's nothing major. It's cleaning a toilet. And if anybody could do this, let me put one here for you guys. I mean, it's so neat. All right, so that's what it basically looks like. And, you know, this isn't a terribly dirty toilet. I didn't want to have the whole thing. But let's just take a little bit of it. I'm using the little handy dandy thing. And, you know, this right here is not too bad. It's not too shabby. You know, it's just one of those little mini toilet brushes. But, yeah, you know, just common sense. These little things, if you're, you know, just wanting something cute, there you go. So it basically does the job. You know, you're going to get everything done. I don't want to go into a whole bunch of detail for time purposes, but it has a great smell. I can tell you that right off the bat. So we're going to kind of leave that there. And then I kind of wanted to show you the dimensions. So here's my foot, as far as this little thing that I got for a back scratcher, I mean a back washer. Oh my goodness. And, you know, this is how the dimensions are. So just so you know, your feet can fit perfectly on there and you can do that. And following it up, I did want to show you this little, let me take these gloves out. After you've done your cleaning and washed your hands and did all that good stuff, honestly, this little dude right here, you just basically, you know, scrub your hands. I've been using it. I just got through throwing it in the wash. And let me see if I got one of those. I have one here to show you, but I did not do one for the dryer. Sorry about that. With these little things from the hair removals. But I just got through washing this, and this is how it turned out. It just looks so great. So, guys, yeah, it's nothing no major. If I was to purchase this again, it would just be for looks and to clean on a you know, a random mess without having to break out all of the chemicals and cleaning products. And this little dude right here is cute. You know, you can still see the gel in there, and I'll clean this up. I'm going to go into it in more detail after this video, but it does work. And the little foot scrubber is perfect. I love it. And I think my fave out of this whole thing right here is this little guy right here. All right, guys, I hope everybody is having a good one, and I'll talk to you on the next Temu Tuesday. And this is a lovely little thing.